can't hide his true colors anymore. Unfortunately, it will end in tears. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 4th to the 8th of April 2022 on Monday. Gugu finds out that Buhle is okay. Teddy explains Zoda's behavior to Bongani. Thathi vanishes on Phumlani on Tuesday. Phumlani learns that Thathi did not tell Sonto. Thathi threatened to kill Phumlani if he ever lays a hand on her again. Sibongile tricks Zodwa into letting her go to Chiamo's on Wednesday. Melusi confronted Phumlani about what he did to Thathi. Gladys learns that Melusi went to Thathi. Stompy stood up by Sibongile on Thursday. Miss Lungwane announces a spelling bee competition. Gladys hands Melusi divorce papers. Mazet wants Melusi to stay away from Phumlani on Friday. Ntokozo find out his parents are divorcing Melusi and Phumlani get into a fight. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.